Ito, ano? Yes or no?
Ano ba? Dami kaya. Natatawa ko sa
Surprise yan, may surprise.
surprise yan.
Kaya kailangan mo pala sila.
Umayos ko nga.
Biglaan ko na takbo.
Dari picture, chick, picture ako, chick. Chick, alone.
Kasi may si...
Teka lang.
Alone. Chick, picture ako.
Wait ako.
Papa ko na nga yung cellphone. Ano mo yung cellphone?
Ba yan?
Hindi kailangan naman pala. Hindi, wala kami pag-usapan. Mula sa Paul pa naman. Ibang ko sa inyo. Pero
Wala na kayong dalawa.
ako boto ako kay Joel.
Bakit mo na ako?
Biglaan to.
Biglaan niya.
Walang ready.
Grabe, ano na? Ano ang itsura ko? Kasi sa... Ano yan? Ano ba? Si Mama.
Sa pagkumpas ng iyong kamay, aking landas ginagabay, nag-iisang tiyak sa 1,000 duda, silong sa iyak at pagluluksa. Kung puso ko ay imamapa, ikaw ang dulo, gitna at simula. Nahanap din kita, nahanap din kita. Oh, maligaw man at mawala, at umikot man sa kawalan, sa bawat kailan, sino't saan, ikaw lamang ang kasagutan. Bawat kanan at kaliwa, kung timog man o hilaga, ang bawat daan ko ay patungo, ay pabalik sa'yo. Kay tagal nang lumulutang, walang pupuntahan, walang dahilan. Parang ulap na walang dalang ulan, kamang walang kumot at unan. Bihag ako ng pagtataka, may saysay ba ang paglalakbay, ngunit nahanap din kita, nahanap kita. Oh, maligaw man at mawala, at umikot man sa
timeless dream of light mists with pale amber rose. Feels like I'm lost in a deep cloud of heavenly scent, touching, discovering you. Those days of warm rains come rushing back to me. Miles of windless summer night air, secret moments shared in the heat of the afternoon. Out of the stillness, soft-spoken words, say it. I love you, always, forever, near and far, closer together, everywhere. I will be with you, everything I will do for you. I love you, always, forever, near and far, closer together, everywhere. I will be with you, everything I will do for you. You've got the most unbelievable blue eyes I've ever seen. You've got me almost melting away, as we lay there under a blue sky with pure white stars. Exotic sweetness, a magical tide. Say it, say it, say it again. I love you, always, forever, near and far, closer together, everywhere. I will be with you, everything I will do for you. I love you, always, forever, near and far, closer together, everywhere. I will be with you, everything I will do for you. Say you love me forever, never stop, never whatever, near and far and always and everywhere and every. Say you love me forever, never stop, never whatever, near and far and always and everywhere and every. Say you love me forever, never stop, never whatever, near and far and always and everywhere and every. Say you love me forever, never stop, never whatever, near and far and always and everywhere and everything. Say it again. I love you, always, forever, near and far. Say it again. I will be with you, everything. Say it again. I love you, always, forever, near and far. Say it again. Everywhere. I will be with you, everything. Say it again. I love you, always, forever, near and far. Closer together, everywhere. I will be with you, everything I will do for you. Say it again. I love you, always, forever, near and far. Say it again.
Hi sis! So, ayun, kakasal ka na. So, ito na hinihintay mo. This is it, sis. And I pray na sana lahat ng plan mo in life matupad in the right time. So, manatiling maganda, mabait, matalino, at mayaman. Bye-bye! Love you, sis!
Hey Ara, fresh from your bridal shower. So, alam mo naman kung gaano kasaya yung bridal shower namin para sa'yo. At yung saya na yun yung saya na gusto kong lagi mong maramdaman sa next chapter na tatahan. As a person na wala naman experience sa marriage and sa relationship. Pero, kahit ganun, I always look forward sa happiness. Hindi madali yung next chapter na tatahan ng dalawa ni Kuya, pero naniniwala ako. Yung experiences niyo for the past year of your relationship is nakatulong para pag-itingin at tibayin kayong dalawa. At ngayon, sa dulo na to, hindi dulo simula ng bagong buhay, kayong dalawa pa rin magkasama hanggang pagtanda. So, looking forward na maging successful. And kahit anong mangyari man sa next chapter, ups and down, alam ko kayong dalawa at kayong dalawa pa rin yung magbibigay lakas sa sitwasyon na meron kayo. So, lagi mo lang isip na mahal kita at mahal ka namin. So, whatever happens, we're here. We're the best support system we ever got. Again, happy married!
So, ayun, Arabels, hindi na ako magsasabi ng hi, hello. Pero nagsabi pa din ako, so hi! So, gusto ko lang sabihin sa'yo na kasama niyo ako ni Kuya Joel simula umpisa hanggang dulo. And masaya ako sa naging progress ng relationship niyo. Yan naman na nandito ako for the both of you. Pero, mas kay Ara lang. Malaki ka na, Kuya Joel. Kaya mo na yan. Maalagaan mo naman si Ara. And, hindi kami magbabago, sis. Hindi ako magbabago kahit may magiging Miranda ka niya. And andito lang ako palagi for you. So, huwag mo kakalimutan yun. And kapag inaway ka ni Kuya Joel, chat mo lang ako, awayin din natin. Hindi ka mag-iisa, sis. Thank you for the friendship na nabuo natin sa Cosine. And I'm so happy na nakilala ko kayo ni Kuya Joel, especially si Ara. Alam din naman namin ng mga zizams mo, sina Rochelle, Helen, and Jeff, na yung dream wedding mo, hindi siya ngayon matutuloy because of some circumstances, instances na nangyari sa buhay mo ngayon. And health is wealth, syempre. And you know na God is doing His best para gawin or matupad yung mga pangarap mo sa buhay, especially yung dream wedding. So, andito lang kami every single time. Andito lang kami to support you every day, sis. Know that we love you. Siyempre, we love you, sis. Congratulations. Best wishes.